So I go by the name of Synapses, aka the champ, aka Mr. Mixtape of the Year, as you guys know me.
So Mr. Lee 7764, it's a verified artist account. So go and subscribe and like that shit.
JD the Rapper on all platforms, Spotify, iTunes, Insta, all of it.
Okay, this is 34.sa on all socials. Oh yeah.
It's your boy Essence.za. You can check me out on all the socials, Instagram, YouTube, Spotify.
Yes, initial_ND.
Follow me at Abstract703. That's all social media platforms.
Explicit CPT with the X, not with the E.
TWO_ZA IG.
Just follow Joshua's Cafe, event space. We're a cafe during the week. You can do bookings, DJs, live events, everything you want. Come, DM us now.